Alright, I think it's a time to sum everything up. All this week was really busy diving, and all I did, I was just filming. I didn't really comment anything. Started a week with Brandon, our YouTube friend, and we did a Bunutan dive. And Chris, he gave me to try out another fins, Deep 6, that flippers what you will see now on a video, orange ones, that's from the Chris. And I was really happy about them. That gives a way more power than my Apex. Apex are really soft comparing to that ones. I tried to swim backwards and different styles, and it was really good. Beautiful dive, by the way. What it's called?
Deep 6 eddy.
Deep 6.
Eddy
Okay. Deep 6. Nigel goes diving.
All the gear, no idea.
It will be easier to put it on.
Thank you. are going for us.
Yeah, it will be in a couple of days.
I'm going to jump here.
Okay.
Yeah, come. Yeah.
Hello from Amed.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Now it's that time in our lives when we start really meeting people in person. Everyone who's following us in YouTube, here in Amed right now. Super happy to have you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you. Lovely to meet you both in real life.
Yeah, in real life. The
All right.
superstars.
Okay.
So check out what we did today. Hello, another day. Ocean today is like a surface of the mirror. I will dive today Boga wreck, Kubu, and I will go for the night dive. Liberty wreck, of course. Then there was a lot of Liberty Rock and Coral Garden and Pyramids. That was the most popular dive sites this week, and the reason is just simply because people are asking for that sites, and they are good. They are really good, and the visibility there is really good at the moment. Beautiful week. And then we did a dive with our YouTube friends, Amanda and Nigel, who came from Australia to visit us. Not to visit us, but they are busy with on their own things, but they came and visited us, and it was super cool. It was super nice to see them finally in person. So what's happening at the moment is like the opening happened already, and there are more and more people come to visit us, emotionally uplifted at the moment. We're feeling really good about that. So thank you very much for everyone who's following and visiting us now in person. It's, you know, these 2 years I've been trying hard to keep some contact with, and all those people who've been really supporting, like Brandon, Nigel, Amanda, everyone. Now I can hug you and say thank you. All right, that's it for this episode. A lot of diving, maybe same dive sites again, but it is what it is. And we were super happy to be in a water all this week with all those people who came. And thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, make us visible, and see you on the next one. Bye.